Hello everyone, my name is Neil from TopFX, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert or incorporate a technical indicator on your trade. Now, first and foremost, you need to decide on which asset you want to incorporate or insert the technical indicator. So, randomly, I'm going to choose Euro USD. I'm going to click on it. Then, right above the chart, almost in the middle, there is an icon that represents the F letter. Now, if you hover your mouse over it, you get the list of all the technical indicators. And as you can see, they are divided into subcategories: trends, oscillators, volatility, volume, and other. Now, if you're not sure what your indicator is, you can always use the search tab. So, for example, right now, I want to include the relative strength index, otherwise known as RSI. I type relative, and as you can see, the available result popped out. I click on it. Keep in mind that the oscillator comes in with a prefix set of parameters. Feel free to change them. I will show that on another instructional video. You click OK, and as you can see, you already incorporated your technical indicator. Let's do another one. Let's do Bollinger Bands. This time I'm going to use the search tab. I'm going to type Bollinger. There you go. And again, I'm going to go directly and click OK. And as you can see, I just incorporated another technical indicators, and you can do as many as you want. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.